Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker JBL Grip from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your speaker. And right here in the third line we have the button disconnect. You need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your speaker, you will stop Bluetooth connection with it, but still have it as device list. And in the future you can easily reconnect your speaker. And if you select to unpair your speaker, you will totally remove your speaker from your phone. So if you need this, just select forget this device button. But let's disconnect it. So disconnect, and as I tell you, I just stop Bluetooth connection with the speaker, but still have it as device list, and I can easily reconnect it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!